Method validation would happen so that a company is confident that their test method is delivering reliable, suitable information in the data. So for example, we will ensure that if a test method is run repeatedly over and over, we can see the results and ensure that the variation between results is controlled and relatively small. We can also change subtle variables, such as what if a different chemist needs to run this today compared to yesterday? What if we have a second instrument available in lab and we need to use that? The method validation will show that that's okay. We can make those subtle changes, we can distribute the work and get it done, and still the client will receive predictable results. What PTL typically recommends for method validation for particle size or surface area or other physical characterization methods is accuracy, also known as system suitability, robustness, and precision, which encompasses both repeatability and intermediate precision. PTL can help with a number of protocol-driven studies. The most comprehensive one is method validation. That is described in USP Chapter 1225. That is for a new-to-the-world method. PTL can also help with a method verification following USP 1226. That is typically conducted for methods that have already been validated, but perhaps are being run in a new environment or a new lab. The methods that are written into USP, for example, any monograph, will typically be considered already validated, so those can just be verified. And the third one that we typically help with is a method transfer. And these are the ones that are helping determine the variability when you're moving a method from one lab to another, or perhaps from one instrument model to another. The process toward getting to a method validation, the key situation is to make sure you have an established test method first. That comes to PTL in a couple of different ways. In one very classic scenario, a client will have a new material that they want to know a particle characteristic about it, for example, particle size or surface area. They can send us the material and just say, can you please tell me what this value is? For example, particle size. PTL will take it from there. Another way that we also see is often clients have an existing test method that maybe their manufacturer has been running for years, or from some other source, they just purchased the material from a different company. We often receive those established test methods from those companies, and they ask us to please show us that we can run them. So we will apply them to our instruments. So PTL can really offer the full package here for these types of projects.